Hello everyone, magandang gabi Filipinas. Welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today, I had a request from the audiences, and it says, react to Sarah Geronimo's ASEAN performance in Japan. And the ID name is Joy Mary Cedillo. Thank you, Mary. I appreciate your suggestion, and I will try to react this Sarah's performance in Japan. I didn't know that she came to Japan, so I'm happy with that, and also I'm really surprised about this, and I want to watch this definitely. But before watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you very much. Okay, let's try. Maybe it's in Kyoto. Oh, King Sukui. Yeah, her dance is so good. To perform this, she needs to train every day to sustain their voice while dancing. So it's gonna be really tough. so rhythmical. I love it. Yeah, that's a good performance. Yeah, so dance performance is good, and she herself is beautiful, and her song is also good. Yeah, so she's all over performance is really good. So yeah, it's she is really talented, and yeah, she'll be yeah international star over the Philippines. Yeah, she's completely representative of the Philippines. I think so. Thanks for your suggestion, Mary, and I really appreciate that. Okay, today's video is it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please push notification bell to not miss my future videos. And please give me your comments, whatever you want. And if you have your suggestions, please leave comment below. I will try to react to that impressive video from you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.